Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Tirupur location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for NS Poly Industries. They are looking for branch sales and in charge. Salary offered up to 12,000 a month. You can see there is a detailed information. Age should be below 35 years and should have a knowledge of computers. Stock maintenance is required. This is the interview address you can see, and you can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 9994355800 and 7305010307. Next, there is a job opening for Krishna Text. They are looking for accounts and documentation executive. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month. Roles and responsibilities, if we see, should manage and file daily accounts, keep track of daily receipts and invoices and payments using Tally, and update daily cash flow requirements and export documentation. These are all the roles and responsibilities. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8110867703. Next, there is a job opening for Ultimate Alloys Private Limited. They are looking for Foundry Quality Inspector. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 20,000 a month, and job location will be Suluru, Tamil Nadu. And if you see the job role responsibilities, sample casting inspection and layout marking, and should casting visual inspection as per MSS SP 555, and should have 3 years and above experience in pump and valve industry, sand casting process, should have a good skills in engineering drawing. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8838396317. Next, there is a job vacancy for Poly Estate Private Limited. They are looking for sales and marketing executive and should have a knowledge of like sales and marketing, develop the strategies for a company, and you should maintain a relationship with the customers and should track the sales data and should create performance reports. So these are all the responsibilities of the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9566221100. Next, there is a job vacancy for Avatar Ceramics. They are looking for sales and marketing executive. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 25,000 a month. You can see detailed information available, and counter sales, display check, and billing dispatch. Marketing executive description. This is the sales executive description. Should do counter sales, display check, and billing and dispatch. For marketing executive job description, if you see outdoor canvas and individual house visits, meet engineers, builders, architects, and contractors, and should bring customers to the showroom. So these are all the marketing executive job description details, and this is the sales executive job description details. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9944900042. Next, there is a job vacancy for merchandiser for Poly Estate Private Limited. They are looking for a merchandiser position. There is a detailed information available, like retail merchandisers are responsible for ensuring that the right amount of goods are available in store and are being sold at the right price, working closely with buyers and other merchandisers to plan product ranges, and should be made with suppliers, distributors, and analysts, and should manage the budget. So these are all the job responsibility of merchandiser position. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8072048131. Next, there is a job vacancy for the Costco. They are looking for assistant procurement officer for vegetables and fruits and meat. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month. should consolidate the order quantity from all customers and compare the quantity for purchase, should ensure the prices from different vendors and visit markets and farmers, should assist the purchase team with the procurement needs, and should report on the variation in prices and quality of vegetables, fruits, and meat. So these are all the job responsibilities for this profile assistant procurement officer. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9742280913. Next, there is a job vacancies for Litec Electric Trading Company. They are looking for retail salesperson. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 13,000 a month. And this is a lighting showroom. You should interact with customers regularly. You should have knowledge of Tamil and English languages. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9894077685. Next, there is a job vacancy for Eximo. They are looking for store salesman for a men's branded showroom. And this is a surplus branded concept store. And you should attend the customers and helping their needs to get it. Minimum communication skills are needed for this job profile, and you should have an opportunity to learn the brands and the latest trends in fashion and customer relationship skills will be improved. You can contact the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9843510109. Next, there is a vacancies for TCT Science faculty for Subaya Central School. Salary offered minimum 30,000 to up to 35,000 a month, and this is a CBSE school. Minimum 1 year of experience is required in CBSE field, and the minimum qualification is BSc BEd, that is mandatory. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further process. Email ID is info@subbiahschols.org. Next, there is a job vacancy for TCT and PGT English faculty for the same organization, Subaya Central School. Salary offered minimum 35,000 to up to 45,000 a month. Minimum 3 years of experience is required in senior section classes, and minimum qualification BA or MA along with BEd, that is mandatory. You can share your resume at the provided email ID info@subbiahschols.org. Next, there is a job vacancy maths teacher faculty for the same organization, Subaya Central School. You can contact on the given email ID for further process. You can share your resume. Salary offered minimum 35,000 to up to 45,000 a month, and qualification if you see undergraduation or post graduation along with BEd, that is mandatory. Minimum 2 years of experience is required in secondary or senior secondary level. You can share your resume at the provided email ID info@subbiahschols.org. Next, there is a job vacancy for Tamil teacher faculty for a Subaya Central School. Salary offered minimum 30,000 to up to 35,000 a month. Should you have a minimum qualification BA or MA Tamil along with BEd? Minimum 2 years of experience is required secondary or higher secondary level. You can contact on the given email ID for further process. You can share your resume. Email ID is info@subbiahschols.org. Next, there is a job vacancy for Best Money Gold Jewelry Limited. They are looking for telecaller executive. Salary offered minimum 7,000. And you can see telephonic, you should initiate telephonic contact with existing and prospective clients in order to generate business. You should give their reliance on spoken language, and telecallers how to display excellent verbal communication skills. So they are also asking for good verbal communication skills, and this is for freshers especially. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7010894228. Next, there is a job vacancy for CBSE teacher faculty for Century Foundation Public School. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 25,000 a month based upon your skill set and experience. Should you have experience in PGT or TCT in all subjects? Should you have qualified hands for music, dance, yoga, PET, library, and computer science undergraduation or post graduation? Assistant teachers for primary undergraduation or DTED. CBSE experience compulsory, and correspondence degree is not eligible. Salary is negotiable for a candidates, and you can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact numbers are 7305510402. Next, there is a job vacancy for biology teacher faculty for Subaya Central School. Salary offered minimum 35,000 to up to 40,000 a month. Qualification is you undergraduation or post graduation, and BEd is mandatory. Minimum 2 years of experience is required in secondary or senior secondary level. You can contact on the given email ID for further process. You can share your resume. Email ID is info@subbiahschols.org. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Tirupur location. I'll be releasing one more part. Part 3 will be coming soon. Please like our videos, guys. It will be very helpful for us and it will encourage us to do more videos for Tirupur location. Please share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Tirupur location. Thank you so much for your love and support, guys. Have a great day.